Hi everyone, thanks for joining. In this demo, I'll take an analog design from an empty folder all the way to a working SPICE simulation without the usual setup pain. This runs on Crucible, Ignition's orchestration platform for semiconductor workflows. The idea behind it is simple: build silicon like software. Let's get into it. We're starting in a clean, empty directory. Nothing installed, nothing configured. Our first step is to initialize Crucible. As it starts up, we get a splash screen confirming the platform version, the Python runtime, and our active environment, so we know everything is wired up and ready to go. Next, we create a dedicated environment for this project. Analog experiments. Environments keep our tools and dependencies fully isolated, so nothing here interferes with anything else on the machine. Next, we'll set up the workspace by building the project structure and verifying the Python setup. Now we scaffold a dedicated workspace for our op-amp experiment by running igni workspace create, pointing it to our new path and binding it directly to our analog experiments environment. In an instant, the op-amp square wave generator workspace is provisioned and appears right in our file explorer, fully linked to the environment. We simply change directory into our freshly created workspace. And we're in, ready to start building out the project from this dedicated context. Let's quickly confirm our Python runtime is ready inside this fresh workspace. And there it is, Python 3.12.10, perfectly aligned with our environment specification. With the setup verified, we'll clear the screen and move on to installing our simulation tools. With the workspace built and Python verified, our environment is ready for tooling. Now, we sync the tool registry with a simple igni cache sync command. This refreshes Crucible's local tool catalog and its download metadata so the CLI can see the latest tools available to install. Let's pull in the exact simulation tool we need by specifying ngSpice for reproducibility. In just a moment, ngSpice is installed and automatically bound to our analog experiments environment ready to simulate. With ngSpice installed, our simulation tools are ready to go. With our environment ready, let's bring in the project files needed for our op-amp experiment. Instantly, our workspace populates with the scripts folder, the Spice folder ready for analysis. Let's take a quick look inside our workspace by inspecting the Python analysis script directly from the command line. Instantly, we can review the full logic driving our experiment, giving us complete transparency over how the simulation is orchestrated. Next, let's take a quick look at the SPICE circuit definition itself to understand the hardware we're simulating. Instantly, the full netlist is revealed, giving us complete transparency over every component and connection in our op-amp design. That wraps up our review of the project files. Let's move on to running the experiment. For the exciting part, we execute our analysis script directly through the Ignition runner, ensuring it runs within our isolated environment. And just like that, the analysis completes successfully, delivering key metrics like frequency and duty cycle right in our terminal. Let's create a dedicated build directory to keep our simulation logs neatly organized. And just like that, the new folder instantly appears in our workspace. For the main event, we invoke ngSpice through ini, directing the log output to our build folder while pointing to our circuit design. In seconds, ngSpace launches and renders the simulation, showing us a clean square wave output from our op-amp generator exactly as designed. With our results confirmed visually, we can close the plot window and move on. With the simulation complete, let's inspect the results by displaying the contents of our spice.log file directly in the terminal. Instantly, the full simulation output is right at our fingertips. No need to open a separate editor. We can quickly scan through the log to verify our circuit behavior and confirm the analysis ran successfully. Once our experiment is complete, we can cleanly close out our session with a simple ini exit command. And just like that, our entire analog spice workflow is done from setup to simulation, all streamlined through the Ignition CLI.